Hi, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. Tonight we're going to do the song. It's called Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. It's a real big hit song that he's had. Hey, you know, I never talk about equipment, but we're always playing on my Yamaha P70. I'm always running through a Focusrite Scarlett interface, through a Mac notebook, and out through JBL LSR 305s. All right, so The Weeknd song is a 4-chord song. It's going to be F minor to C minor. I'll break this down in a minute. To E flat to B flat. And the iconic riff is alright, we're going to show you how to do that. Alright, it is a synth pop song. There's all things going on. We're just going to do a piano version of this. We're going to keep it pretty simple. Basically, chord number 1, F minor, which is F, A flat, C. We're going to do these with the left hand. Chord number 2, C minor, which is C, E flat, G. Chord number 3, E flat, which is E flat, G, B flat, to chord number 4, B flat, which is B flat, D, F. So chord's going to be I'll talk about the rhythm and what we're going to do with this song in a minute. All right, so that's your first 4 chords. And while you're learning, we're just going to play them straight like that. All right, the riff. So, F, F, E flat, F, G, C, E flat. Watch again. I'll do it with one finger. And if I was using my correct fingers, I'd be going. And that's, here's how it goes together with the chords. Now go to the C minor. Okay. Next part of the right hand is. So that's B flat, G, F, E flat, and do it again. B flat, G, F, E flat, and then it ends on an F. So what that sounds like is so when you do that riff, you're on the 3rd chord, which is E flat. And when you switch to this F, you go to the B flat. I'll do the whole thing at speed, and then I'll try to slow it down for you. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. I'll do it a little slower. And in time, I'll do a little bit more complicated left hand. Always remember, YouTube does have a playback speed adjustment. You can always go to the YouTube playback in the settings and set the speed slower so you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. That's basically it. Go back over the song as you like. You can embellish, you know, you can do playing an F to an F minor, then a C to a C minor, basically just using the root notes, E flat to B flat. You can do all that as you like. Really cool song, very like retro 80s sound. It's kind of cool. All right, have fun practicing. Please subscribe to our channel. Please visit our sponsors. We're actually going to get affiliated with Yamaha and Focusrite and others, including Guitar Center. Thanks again. Have fun practicing, and please subscribe to our channel. Have a great night. Bye-bye.